Conspiracy theorists, the earth is flat. The earth. Beautiful lunar eclipse from our flat earth. No, the earth is flat, there are like ice walls around it, NASA lies. Haha, SpaceX goal launch. Me, if the earth is flat, why can't I see Paris from here? Flat earther, your render distance is low. Banned. The server has automatically banned you for saying a bad word. You said, the earth is a globe. The earth is flat, so if we just flip it over it will be like the cool side of the pillow and boom, no more global warming. Well boys, we did it. Global warming is no more. Why flat earthers are affected by 5G and normal people aren't. Flat earthers. Globeheads. Me, a no earther. Flat earther accidentally learns basic geometry and realizes the earth can't be flat. Also flat earther, what have I done? If earth is round, why do we sleep like this and not like this? Earth is round, not your bed. Do flat earthers think the moon, sun and all the other planets are flat too? Of course we don't, we are not stupid. Doubt. Who would win? 3,000 NASA scientists. 20-minute flat earth YouTube video. If earth is flat, why do my pee go like this? And not like this? I can't see the curvature of the earth, said no SR-71 pilot ever. If the earth is flat, then why is my whole life going downhill? All those idiots debating round earth versus flat earth. Wait till I drop the truth on M. Me trying to argue with the flat earthing. Scientific proof. The block button. 40 people missing after first flat earth surfing championship. Anti-flat earthers. Spherical scientists. The Flat Earth Society has members all around the globe. Say that again, but slowly. When you've been roasting these flat earthers and suddenly they put a bag over your head and you hear one of them say, take him to the edge. Would this be possible if the earth was spinning 1,000 miles per hour while orbiting the sun at 67,000 miles per hour? Tennis balls are flat. Wake up. The sun is flat disk. You can see this by looking at it. Again, they lied to us about sun gazing, saying it bad. I stare at the sun for up to 2 hours a day when the weather is permissible and see this with my own eyes. The moon is a projection and the light right above it is the only real satellite or UFO or whatever the duck it is. The effort of many scientists. One of the greatest technological challenges. All of this to deliver internet to Billy. The earth is flat. Things that don't exist. Bigfoot. Fires. Unicorns. Globe Earth. How moon orbits the earth according to flat earthers. We know the earth is round because if it was flat, there would be slimes everywhere. For all the flat earthers, this is a chocolate egg. NASA. SpaceX. Live video of the curvature of the earth. Flat earthers. They see me globbing. They hatin'. Flat earthers thinking their model works. High school geometry. Science. Laughter. You dumb bitch. He wanted to launch himself high enough to take pictures of the curvature of the earth. Flat earther died after launching himself with a homemade rocket. Natural selection doing its job. A picture of the earth before and after, your opinion. When someone says that the earth is flat, me. Once cheap commercial space travel is gonna be available, flat earthers are gonna disappear. The earth is flat. If earth is flat, why is it like this and not like this? Do I look flat to you? Asgard. Flat earthers watching Thor movie. Babe, does this dress make me look flat? Flat earthers fear 2 meters social distancing could push some people over the edge. Kyrie Irving says the earth is flat. His comments go viral. 5 days later NASA conveniently discovers 7 new planets. It's the government's attempt at damage control. They don't want people talking about the flat earth. In this scientific study we test whether earth is rotating or still. If earth is really rotating at 1000 miles per hour when the golfer drops the fish, it should not land directly below on the red spot. Let's begin. 3, 2, 1 drop the fish. The fish landed on the red spot. We therefore conclude that earth is not spinning and earth is indeed flat. Earth is round. Flat earth mass when they reach the edge. Flat earth my ass. Checkmate, flat earthers. A flat earther. The earth is flat because water always finds its level. One curvy boy. I'm going to end this man's whole career. Normal people, yeah, but there are agencies other than NASA. Flat earthers. Impossible. Gotta love this solar eclipse. Me knowing the earth is round. Flat earthers threatening to throw me off the edge of the earth because I don't believe in flat earth. Flat earthers when they see the round earth in the universal logo. Due to less pollution we can finally see the flat earth in the sky. Debating with flat earthers with logical arguments. Creating a reality show where flat earthers have to find the edge of the world. Me, so if the earth is flat how come it's round? Flat earther, that doesn't even make any sense. Me, exactly, finally you see it. The Flat Earth Society. Hi Ellen, thanks for the question. Unlike the earth, Mars has been observed to be round. We hope you have a fantastic day. Also the Flat Earth Society. The earth is not a planet. If the earth was a globe, water flows to the lowest point. Calm down, calm down. When the Flat Earth Society says they have members all around the globe, I may be an idiot, but I'm not stupid. Geography classes in 2040. When humans discover oil on Mars. If Australia were real, it would have been pushed off the edge by now. Flat earthers. The block button. Evidence against flat earth. This is how Japan attacked Pearl Harbor according to flat earthers. If the world is round, then how did the astronauts take this picture? If earth is flat, then why can I dig and not fall into space? Flat earthers. Why flat earthers are wrong. 1. The earth is round. Flat earthers. Evidence of earth being round. Finally NASA releases a real photo of earth from outer space. Look at the solar system. Every single other planet has been proven round. So what cluster of events lead to the earth being flat? Riddle me that. The earth is not a planet. It must be hard being that ducking stupid. I spent 7 days upside down. Australians. First time. Earth is bowl-shaped. That's how the water stays in. Crazy how nature does that. Earth is flat. It just spins very fast, creating an illusion of being round. Red Bull's fake space jump. Felix Baumgartner supposedly ascended over 23 miles which took 2.5 hours. He launched from New Mexico and landed in New Mexico, 55 miles away. Did the earth forget to spin? Americans when tree starts speaking Vietnamese. Russians when the snow starts speaking Finnish. Flat earthers when someone starts speaking facts and logic. Flat earthers be like, so you think the earth is flat? Yes it is. Why don't people fall off the edge? Oh there's an ice wall. Can't you just climb over it? Sweats profusely. Flat earthers in a chat room after you debunk their theory. Flat earthers claim Australia doesn't exist and people who live there are actors paid by NASA. 25 million people in Australia. Am I a joke to you? How to flood a sphere Earth. How Planet thinks the globe model works. How the globe model actually works. If Earth was spinning, this guy could stay right here for 12 hours and land on the other side of the planet. If the Earth is flat then how do mountains exist? Checkmate flat earthers. It's flat. Always has been. Flat Earth theory in a nutshell. Everyone else. Wait, it's all flat? The government. Always has been. Don't pin that on your daughter's shirt. Might send the wrong message. Now tell us the earth is flat. Sunset. Sun far. Near. Far away. Flat earth logic. The sun doesn't set, it goes far away. So the part of the sun that appears to be below the horizon isn't below it, it's just far away. And the part which is above the horizon is merely nearer than the other part of itself. Flat earther, I did my own experiment to prove that the earth is flat. The experiment. If the earth was flat, cats would have pushed everything off it by now. Today for show and tell I brought one of my own patent pending inventions. I have in my hand an invisible cretinizer. One shot renders the victim a babbling simp, adult, an utter moron. The earth is flat. As Ronald proves, it's quite effective, even at long range. Hey. Believing the earth is round. Believing the earth is flat. Believing the earth is inside a golden ball and powered by batteries. Not believing in the earth. Where is the curve? Research flat Death Star. Flat earthers when asked to give scientific evidence of their claims. You know, I'm something of a scientist myself. The earth is flat. I worry about you sometimes Candace. Australian helicopter pilot accidentally crosses into northern hemisphere. Finally got banned from the Flat Earth Discord by posting a forbidden image. It's alive. Speak, my child. The earth is flat. Oh duck, I forgot to give you a brain. Flat earth. Reality. Real reality. Earth is neither flat nor round, it's ducked up. Proof that a basketball is flat. I use the zetetic method to examine whether a basketball is really a ball, or is it actually flat. Upon taking a closer look with a macro lens on my Nikon P900, I can only conclude that the surface of a basketball, while bumpy, does not appear to have any curvature. Therefore, basketballs are flat. Their roundness must be some kind of illusion caused by perspective and mirages. Have you not understood from the foundations of the earth? It is he who sits above the circle of the earth, and its inhabitants are like grasshoppers. 10 of the top scientific facts in the Bible. NASA, Internet, geographers, flat earthers, Bible. It is he who sits above the circle of the earth. Top proof that we are not a spinning ball. 100% unrefutable proof of a flat earth. The ball is dead. It's flat guys. It's flat. I was wrong. The earth is not flat. I was so wrong. The earth definitely isn't flat. I'm an ex-flat earther. You are being manipulated by con men. Flat earther. Globetards. Round earth research. Flat earth research.